Hey guys, welcome back to my video. Today I have a parcel and it is coming from so many days. I have finished my Urdu book
reading.
So that's why I got this new parcel. It's coming after maybe 3 or 2 days.
And
It's a very large parcel. You have to guess what is it. Comment down below if you know what is it in it.
we ordered
it from Educational Toys Pakistan.
Yeah.
It has come from Pakistan and it is Karachi's.
Yeah.
It has come from Karachi to Islamabad.
Yeah.
So let's begin cutting. What is this junk parcel? How much long is it even?
Not long.
Hopefully, I think my mom is opening it. She has a bigger. Wait. Come on! This will take hours to take all this tape.
Give me.
My mom is taking out that one.
I hope.
It would take 1,010 hours.
No. Still.
Maybe my mom has an easier way. She is lucky.
I am not lucky. You can open it.
I have a better one.
And I hope what will be inside it.
Bana. This looks like a suitcase. Look at this. Yeah.
So, what is the name of toy?
This is not a toy. It's a better than a toy. Pop it. I can pop this all the time.
Yep.
I can pop it too. So this is a real DIY solar Mars exploration car. This is science and it is so fun. And we can charge it from the sunlight too. And it has only maybe 2 cells. So this
Give me.
I think I can do this.
Okay. If you can do, that's good. And if you can't, then I can help you little bit. Yes, done.
That?
Yep.
Oh, great. This will be... it's so tight. Epic.
Yeah.
Look at this box. I am holding it. It has a camera. And it is 6 plus my age. That's good. Let's open it. Where do you open this thing? It has a tape.
Let me help you.
I can open this one.
Are you sure? I think you can't. How many puppets are really? It is lot of puppets.
Yes.
Pop.
There are 1,010 puppets in here.
Pop or a pop.
Open. That easy. That was easy.
Whoa.
Wow. So many pieces. First piece. Wow. Cool. Second piece. It has 2. Third piece. Fourth piece. These are arms. La. Fifth piece. Seventh piece. Eighth piece. Ninth piece. There are 9 pieces. I wish there were 10 pieces. It has a pop it too.
This is a solar plate.
Yeah, whatever. It has an instruction.
Guidebook.
Guidebook.
Yeah.
It's big.
How
And then it
to-
has instructions to build this thing.
Yes, instructions.
First step. What is this? Is this the one you're looking for? I don't know. Maybe this?
Yeah.
I do not know.
So,
This is a Kuma.
So, let's start. Assemble the car.
Let's start building.
Yeah.
This will be a very fun activity for 2 or something class. This will be fun. First, we have to open these. And we can easily put these back because it is just have to do this tightly and it will just stick. So no worries with this. This one is very easy. No need.
Sahil.